Illustrate inequalities on a number line. Pause the video and have a go at example 29. Example 29, we have to illustrate the following inequalities on a number line. So we've got x is greater than 2. So the key point is going to be around the 2. We'll do a number above it and a number below it, but the important one's the 2. X has to be greater than that. So just write what that means. X is greater than 2. So put a circle on the 2 and we say it's everything above 2. Okay? If the circle was filled in, that would indicate that it could be equal to 2. So by not filling it in, by it being empty, we're indicating that it's not able to be 2, but anything greater than 2. Part B, x is less than 6. So the key point is 6. We can do a number above and below. And what can we say about x? It has to be less than 6. So you may remember it, I'll just emphasize it here, from these two. The crocodile eats the bigger number. So this is bigger, so x is less than 6. Here, the crocodile eats a bigger number, so this is the bigger one, x is bigger than 2. We usually use greater than instead of bigger, or less than instead of smaller. Okay, so x is less than 6, it means any number below 6. Part C, we've got x is greater than, but you'll notice there's an equal sign there too, this bit here, so it's greater than or equal to the number 4. So 4 is the key point. X can be greater than, so any number above 4, but also equal to, so we colour in as best you can, colour in that circle. On part D, we've got that x is less than, x is less than, or we've got the equal part in there too, so it's less than or equal to minus 3. In this case, minus 3 is the key part in the number line. Bigger than minus 3 would be minus 2 or minus 1 and so on. Smaller than minus 3 is minus 4, minus 5 and so on. So x can actually be equal to the minus 3, so we colour in that circle. But it has to be less than that as well, so we go down to the left. X is less than or equal to minus 3.